हाँ
Respected our principal secretary sir and secretary sir, my name is P. Madhu. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Gurukulam School in Sri Belagal. Today we have discussed statistics. It is one of the branch of mathematics. It is introduced by Sri Ronald Fisher. Statistics means the discipline that concerns the collection, organization and interpretation and presentation in this statistics. Central tendency of measure. First one, arithmetic mean second one, median, and third one, mode. Central tendency of measures. There are three types. Number one, arithmetic mean. Second, mode, and third, median. Mean some of the observations. Nations. The data given divided by the number of observations. And sum of observations divided by number of observations. Or sigma by m, sigma xi by m. Mode, median. Mean, sum of the observations, the data given divided by the number of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations are sigma by n, sigma xi by n. Median.
right. Madhu.
Median. Is of we will take an example. observations.
First you read the question. Question read.
Abhi got the following marks in different subjects in a unit test: 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. What is mean his marks? Solution. Observations: 20, 11, 21 by 25, 23, 14. Alternative means x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. X bar is equal to 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 14 . Study. 20 plus 11 plus 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 observations. Sum 20. 20 plus 11, 21, 21 plus 21, 51,
52.
52 plus 25, 77,
Seven.
77 plus 23, 90,
90.
90 plus 40,
104.
114
104.
plus 114.
77, 80, 100, 114.
By 6
Hmm.
divided by
Is equal to Sarigay.
divided by 6, 14. 6, 6, 6 minus 54. The mean is 90. Median example. Find the median of 9 observations: 14, 36, 25, 28, 35, 32, 56, 42, 50. So here, ascending order of the data: 14, 25, 28, 32, 35, 36, 42, 50, 56. Number of observations: n is equal to 9. 9 is the odd number. Median of data: n plus 1 by 2 observation. Median of the data is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the observation. n plus 1 10 by 2 fifth observation. Fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Median is 35. More example. In a shoe mart, different sizes inches of shoes sold in week are 7, 9, 10, 8, 7, 9, 7, 9, 6, 3, 5, 5, 7, 10, 7, 8, 7, 9, 6, 7, 7, 7, 10, 5, 4, 3, 5. The most occurring. Data is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. More is 7. Thank you, Apache.